Good morning. It's stupidly early on a Sunday morning and I'm off today for a walk of about 11 miles around Bushy Park and Richmond Park in West London. Got to get the train for this one, so I'll see you on the other side. So after about an hour train drive, I've arrived here in Bushy Park, and yeah, it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely love this area, Bushy Park, Richmond Park, West London in general. So it's got so much to go out and walk around and explore. One of the main attractions of Bushy Park and Richmond Park is the wild deer, which are free roaming, and I've just literally walked in and I've seen a little herd of them. So that's a good start to the day. This guy here gave me a bit of a fright. If I pull out a bit, you can see that I'm on a bridge which is kind of covering a drainage channel which is dry now. And he's just sitting here. To be fair, I don't know if it's a he or a she, but I'll call him a he. And he's just sitting here enjoying the sunshine. Like I say, if you come to this part of West London, there's plenty to see and you're kind of almost spoilt for choice. Richmond Park's probably got the more bigger name, maybe more people have heard of it. But out of the two, if you've got limited time, come to Bushy Park. Two and a half miles in, taking me far too long to walk that sort of distance, but on a day like this where it's baking hot, I'm not rushing much, and to be honest there's so much to see. And I'm going to be leaving Bushy Park in a minute and then heading up into Richmond Park. So I've reached Richmond Park, and a bit like Bushy Park, this is somewhere you can spend all day exploring. I've only got limited time, so I've kind of come in through the Kingston entrance. I'm going to be cutting diagonally through the park and going out in the Richmond entrance, and then walk down into Richmond and a train home. Like I said at the beginning, you're really spoilt for choice if you come to this part of West London for places to walk around. Both Bushy Park, which I went to first, and Richmond Park, which just come out of amazing places to have a walk around. Anyhow, as I said, almost finished, so I'm going to get the train home. Until next time, bye for now.